Hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you are in my hangout. And today, well, this came in the mail, and I can hardly wait to open her up. So, I'll be right back. All right, so I have her out of the box, and she's wrapped in this tissue. Oh, yep, there she is. This is much more in line with the comic version of Wonder Woman that I always imagined. When I was a little girl, I had one of those Mego 8-inch action figures, Wonder Woman, and she looked okay. I mean, probably good for the time, but I always loved Wonder Woman. So this is the new one. Now I did not get the Gal Gadot Wonder Woman. She was okay looking, but I kind of felt like I was getting the Gal Gadot Wonder Woman. But this is Wonder Woman. I mean, they have caught her so well. I mean, when you see the old comic books and the beautiful art on the front of them, this is her. So here we have the box here, and on the side you have her, and then on the back. So, I'll let you read that if you want to, but I'm just so thrilled. And here we go, and here's the UPC code if you want to look for her. So, I'm so excited. So anyway, though, it's a nice box too. And I should probably leave her in the box, but this isn't an in the box channel. So we're going to get her out of the box. Be right back. All right, so this is a gold label doll. And so she does come with a certificate of authenticity, and it's on a good grade of paper. So she comes with this doll stand that says Wonder Woman, and it's gold. And the doll right out of the box, her hair is so incredibly soft. This is nice hair. It is. And look, I mean, look at this. This hasn't been washed and conditioned or anything. It's in beautiful condition right now. I'm impressed. Okay, so I know I've said it, but this is, I think, one of the most striking dolls I have personally seen. Now, I haven't seen most dolls out there because I didn't start really looking at dolls until 2021. So there's a ton I missed, but I still think she is astonishingly beautifully done. I'm just very amazed by her face. So now her crown is, I mean, it's metallic looking. And it can come off, but I don't want to take it off because, and she's wearing these red earrings. So even a super, see, she even remembers to wear earrings. She's way better than me then, because I wouldn't do it. So she also comes with this lasso. Isn't that awesome? She's got her lasso, her golden lasso. And so she's wearing her traditional Wonder Woman costume. So we have her bracelets that can, keep the bullets and things away, and her one-piece suit. She's got the leggings on and these boots, and the boots are pliable plastic, so they're nice. Look at those boots. Oh my God, that is so Wonder Woman. And of course, she's got her belt, and the belt is also, it is removable, and it is metallic. Oh my gosh. And I guess this is sewn on, but I'm leaving it on. I don't want to do anything to take that off. So it is held up with clear straps, and the outfit fastens in the back. But oh my goodness, oh my goodness, she is just so very beautiful. I'm just I wasn't going to get her until I got a closer look at her face, and then it's like, okay, no, that's one I'm getting no matter what. Just Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just very impressed with her. So, yeah. Well, anyway, let's take a closer look. All right, well, this is a very short episode because I wanted it to be all about this doll. I don't desire to make her over at this time because it's the Wonder Woman doll of my literal dreams. I used to imagine what a Wonder Woman doll would look like that looked like the Wonder Woman on the comic book covers because they were always so beautiful, and I just thought it'd be amazing to have a doll that looked like that, and now I do. The people who did her, thumbs up, guys, thumbs up. You caught the essence of the Wonder Woman that I read about. Okay, you guys really, really knocked it out of the park. Now, do I hear a little bit in the background the Wonder Woman theme to the, old Wonder Woman show? Yeah, I do. However, I'm also so glad that she does not look like Linda Carter either. I mean, she looks like a non-actress. She looks like, well, Wonder Woman. She's absolutely gorgeous. So I just can't gush enough. There isn't really anything that I'm displeased with because I know that the old style superheroes, I mean, even when the people drew them, I think they imagined them in like almost leotards or whatever. So, they couldn't exactly give her that patent leather stuff that they do later because the superheroes weren't drawn with that. So I think they did well by that. I love that they caught the stars and stripes and the red, and I think it's an eagle, and and her boots, that she always wore, which I don't know how she could have walked around in them, but hey, she's Wonder Woman. She's battling bad guys. I guess high-heeled boots would be nothing. And her hands are pretty. Also, I didn't point those out. But like, here's the one hand, and then we have the other hand that can hold her rope. Now, she is not articulated as she's on, I guess, a superhero body. So she doesn't have as many points of articulation as some other dolls, but I'm still good with that. So, I mean, I don't know how many points of articulation she has then, but she can then, obviously, she can move her head, move her arms up and down. She can bend her elbow, her hands. She cannot move the top half. That doesn't move, but she can, her legs, move all around. She can bend her knee. Her feet, however, are, yep, her feet are arched, so there's no articulation in the foot. But she looks fantastic in her outfit. So, I mean, at some point I'll probably put her in something else, but I might feel a little bit guilty dressing her in something that isn't appropriate and respectful to her. Yes, I think about that stuff. All right, so now if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, I do provide a subscribe button. It's red, it's over here. It says subscribe. If you're watching this on TV, it's over in here somewhere. And you just go ahead and click it, and then you get to be one of my fantastic, marvelous subscribers. Please hit the like button, like I mentioned before. And I absolutely love hearing from you guys. It really makes my day. So if you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. I always answer. Sometimes it might take me a few days, but I always answer. And that includes if you have, where can I find questions? If I can locate where I have, where that's something you're asking me about, if I can locate where I got it from, I will not only tell you, but I will usually also link the site for you to find it, to be able to get it. So there's that. Sharing is caring, and oh my goodness, this is a fantastic doll. I would, and yes, definitely share her out there. A part of me wants to get a second one to keep her in the box. However, for me, I think having one in the box would be a waste because I don't really do anything with my in-box dolls. I don't have a great place to display them or, or much anything. So I don't know. Let me know what you think about people keeping their dolls in box versus unboxing if you're not going to be displaying the boxed dolls. Let me know what you think. Feedback is always welcome. And I do listen to people, by the way. I do. I have big ears. I can't help but listen. It's, they're built that way. And anyway, though, no matter what time of day it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm out of here, so goodbye.